Repurposing broken ceramics into stunning mosaic tabletops and wall art has emerged as a significant trend not only for its aesthetic appeal, but also for its potential to unlock profit in a world increasingly focused on sustainability and creative upcycling. The process of transforming discarded ceramics into high-value, sellable decor pieces is an inspiring journey that exemplifies how artistry can breathe new life into materials often deemed worthless. When individuals begin to see beauty in the fragments of history represented by broken dishes, tiles, and pottery, they embark on a path that transcends mere crafting. They engage in an art form that celebrates both innovation and ecological mindfulness. The significance of this transformation is profound, as it redefines luxury by embracing an eco-conscious approach to decor. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. Those who venture into creating mosaics find themselves not only saving valuable resources from landfills, but also creating pieces that resonate with personal stories and rich textures. The act of piecing together a unique tabletop or wall art composition symbolizes resilience in the face of brokenness, effectively turning what was once discarded into something of undeniable beauty and value. Creating durable, aesthetically rich mosaic pieces involves a variety of techniques, each of which contributes to the overall appeal and functionality of the finished product. One of the primary methods of construction is the careful selection of materials, where artisans sift through broken ceramics to choose fragments that not only fit well together, but also tell a cohesive story through color, texture, and pattern. This initial curation process is essential. It allows for an intentional design that speaks to the creator's vision while also considering the qualities of the materials at hand. After selecting the right pieces, the artist then proceeds to prepare the base, whether it's a wooden tabletop or a canvas for wall art. This preparation often involves ensuring that the surface is clean, smooth, and adequately primed to accept adhesive, which plays a pivotal role in the durability of the final piece. Using a high-grade adhesive, the artist carefully affixes each ceramic fragment to the surface, leaving small gaps for grout to eventually fill in. This step is not merely functional, it is an opportunity for artistic expression, as the arrangement of colors and shapes begins to take form, granting a visual rhythm to the piece. Once the base is completed, the next step involves grouting, which is as much a science as it is an art. The choice of grout color can affect the entire look of the mosaic. Lighter grouts may enhance the colors of the ceramics, while darker shades can create dramatic contrasts. When applying grout, it's crucial to push it into the gaps thoroughly, ensuring that it bonds well with both the ceramics and the base. After the grout is dried, the finishing touches come into play. This includes cleaning the mosaic thoroughly to remove any excess grout film and sometimes applying a sealant to protect the piece from moisture and wear. Learning these techniques not only empowers the artist to create stunning pieces, but also enhances their marketability, allowing for the production of items that are both visually appealing and built to last. Mosaic tabletops and wall art, crafted from discarded ceramics, serve as a conversation starter and are often imbued with emotional resonance. Every piece tells a story, showcasing not just artistic flair, but also an environmental conscience that appeals to a crescente consumer base seeking unique, sustainable home decor. As individuals become more aware of their environmental impacts, there exists a burgeoning marketplace for items that echo their values. Artisans can leverage social media platforms to showcase their work, narrating the stories behind each piece while simultaneously highlighting the sustainable practices behind their creations. This narrative is essential in building a brand that resonates with customers. It transforms a mere product into an intimate experience for buyers, creating a connection between the artist and the consumer that underscores the unique nature of handmade, repurposed art. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? Take a moment to share your thoughts in the comments and tell us which country you're watching from so we can feel more connected as a global community of woodworking, crafting, and decor lovers. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. Please consider subscribing and smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. It's amazing to see our ideas travel across borders, and your comments truly inspire us to create even better content for you. The significance of elevating fragmented pieces into high-value decor extends beyond mere aesthetics. It touches on the heart of modern consumerism's shift toward valuing craftsmanship and sustainability over mass-produced products. As people increasingly seek out home decor that reflects their personal identities, items created from repurposed materials often resonate more profoundly than conventional art. In this way, creating mosaic tabletops and wall art from broken ceramics is not just a creative outlet, but a thriving business model as well. Through networking at local art fairs and markets, collaborating with other artisans, and participating in workshops, artists can build a community that fosters creativity and sustainability, further amplifying the importance of their work. In exploring the profitability of mosaic art, it's also important to consider the economic aspects associated with sourcing materials. Often, discarded ceramics can be acquired at little to no cost, particularly if individuals become adept at developing relationships with thrift shops, community centers, and recycling initiatives. This accessibility means that artists can keep material costs low, maximizing profit margins as their work resonates with larger audiences. In turn, potential customers are often willing to pay a premium for uniquely crafted pieces with a backstory, enhancing the profitability of these endeavors. Thus, the act of repurposing broken ceramics provides a clear path to financial gain while simultaneously supporting environmental sustainability. The dynamic nature of creating mosaic art also presents opportunities for continuous learning and innovation. Artists can experiment with various techniques, styles, and themes, broadening their repertoire and appealing to diverse customer preferences. This exploration not only fuels the creative process, but also keeps the artist engaged in their work, promoting a cycle of artistic growth that can lead to increasingly complex and valuable pieces. By integrating additional elements such as reclaimed wood, metal, or glass, creators can add layers of sophistication to their work, further broadening the appeal and market potential. The versatility of broken ceramics as a medium fosters an environment of continual evolution, where artists can endlessly reinterpret their materials to adapt to trends in home decor and consumer preferences. Ultimately, the process of repurposing broken ceramics into mosaic tabletops and wall art is rich with significance on multiple levels. It is about transforming perceived waste into treasured artifacts, each telling its own story of survival and creativity. The journey from brokenness to beauty highlights not only the potential for profit, but also the inherent value in ecological responsibility and artistic expression. As communities increasingly prioritize sustainability without compromising quality or aesthetics, artists who embrace such transformative practices are poised not only to thrive in the marketplace, but also to lead the way in reimagining consumer culture. Through their creative enterprises, they exemplify how the power of art can reconnect us to our values, reminding us of the richness found in renewal, resilience, and the celebration of imperfection as a transformative force in our lives. Thus, what was once discarded now holds the promise of profitability and purpose, inviting others to embrace the beauty of repurposing in a world that often overlooks the potential hidden within brokenness. Thank you for spending your time with Decor Ideas and being part of our creative woodworking and decor journey. We hope this video inspired you to see new possibilities in craftsmanship and home decor. Your thoughts truly matter to us, so feel free to share your ideas, suggestions, or feedback in the comments, and let us know which designs or techniques you'd love to see next. If you enjoyed this creation, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family who love crafting and decor inspiration. Stay connected with Decor Ideas for more creative woodworking projects and inspiring decor transformations. We can't wait to see you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.